Now we just add those things up each part, and we'll have our answer. 3 and 8 make 11. Negative 6 and 6 make 0. 1 and 24 make 25. Negative 2 and 18 make 16. This is definitely, I can say with certainty, this is probably the most difficult thing you've done this year. Okay? And this is something that's just going to take you a while to get. Okay, let's try some more. Let's not dwell on one problem too long. All right. As you can see for this next one, I've given you two matrices. A is 1, 3, 2, 0. B is 5, 0, 1, 3, negative 2, 6. And we're supposed to find AB. Then we're going to turn around and find BA. Right here. Okay, so let's start with the dimensions. Go back to what we know. All right, the matrix on the left has how many rows and how many columns? Two rows and 2 columns, right. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, this matrix here has how many rows and how many columns?
2 by 3.
That's a 2 by 3 matrix, exactly. Okay. Inside numbers agree. That's a good thing. Unless you don't actually want to multiply, which you probably don't, so then it's probably a bad thing. All right. Outside numbers are a 2 and a 3. So where I'm going to put my answers is going to be a 2 by 3 matrix. All right. So let's start with this spot here. Okay. Row 1, column 1. So that's this row and that column. So first numbers are 1 and 5. 1 times 5? 5. Okay, so the second numbers. 3 and 3. 3 times 3? 9. Nothing bad there. All right, next spot.
Wait.
What?
3 times 1 and 3 times 3.
Yes. Okay, next spot. This is row 1, column 2. So same row, but now we're switching over to that column. Okay, so 1 times 0.
0.
And 3 and negative 2.
Next.
Negative 6. Okay, last spot. Row 1, column 3. So row 1, column 3. So 1 times 1? 1. 3 times 6? 18. Okay, now we're done with row 1. Yay. Yes, it is confusing. All right. Now we're switching down there. Row 2, column 1. So second row with the first column. All right, so first numbers are 2 and 5. 2 times 5? 10. Second numbers, 0 and 3? 0. All right. Next spot. 2 and 0. 0. 0 and negative 2.
2 negative 2. 0.
0. All right. Last one. This spot here is row 2, column 3. So 2 times 1?
2.
0, and 6?
0.
0. Now we add them up. 5 and 9?
14.
0 and negative 6?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. 1 and 18?
19.
10 and 0?
10.
0, 0.
0.
2 and 0?
2.
This is hard.
Okay.
Confusing.
It's not that you can't do the multiplication and the addition. That part you can handle. It's actually knowing when to multiply with what. That's the part that'll throw you all the time. Okay? You can handle multiplication because you can do that in your head. You can use a calculator or whatever. It's the order that will get you. But you'll get it. All right. Now, down here it now tells us to find BA. B times A. So I'm supposed to switch the matrices around and multiply. Remember I said right in the beginning that it's not commutative. It's not like regular multiplication where 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. That doesn't work. So, all right, so let's start. What's the dimensions of the matrix on the left now?
2, 3.
2 by 3. What's the dimensions of this one over here? 2 by 2. Well, look at my inside numbers now. They don't match. 3 and a 2. No solution. Again, multiplication is not commutative. It's not the same forwards and backwards matrices. That doesn't work. All right, so the last multiplication we'll do in the notes, then we'll do some in the worksheet shortly. All right, got 0, 1, negative 2, 5, and 2, 3. 0, 1, negative 2, 5, and 2, 3. Okay, what are the dimensions of the matrix on the left?
2, 2.
2 by 2. What are the dimensions of the matrix on the right?
1 by 1.
2 by 1.
2 by 1.
Okay, so do the inside numbers agree?
Yeah.
Yes, they do agree. They're both 2s. Outside numbers tell me how big that matrix is going to be?
2 by
2
1.
and 1. So it's going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, so start with this.